Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony here. So this is going to be a completely different kind of video. As of right now, I am just to start off the video before I start. Please remember to subscribe and like and comment and share my video and like the video. It's completely free. It definitely helps out with the algorithm, and it helps push it out to other people that it can enjoy it as much as you guys. So this video is actually something completely different from what everybody's expecting. I am actually bullish on the S&P 500. After today's close, I will be 100%, well, not 100% bullish. I'm still 100% bearish, but short-term bullish. I do think that we are likely to see the likes of possibly going back to 381 and also pushing all the way back even higher than that, right? But again, this is all short-term bullish momentum. The last time we actually closed a bullish day, you ended up rallying from, right? You ended up rallying from 390 or from, let me see, from 390 to 414. So you went up about $23, right? On the perfect entry right here on SPY. And before that, you actually had another perfect entry back here on June 20th, right? And you actually ended up rallying from these levels of, there we go. And you actually ended up rallying again, $28 in 8 days. This one was $23 in 8 days. That's not a coincidence, right? So as of right now, if we close today a bullish day, I am expecting $23 move in 8 days, right? Or a $28 move in 8 days, which would be right there, right? So we can get rid of these two, right? The two previous moves. If anything, we can actually check right here. What did we do last time, right? Then before that, you actually ran all the way up to, again, in around 10 days, you did a $38 move. So again, these are actually lower than what we can maybe expect, right? So let's look at this. So right now we are looking at a range, right? Right now we are looking at a range of 388 to 392 for the SPY, roughly like a 390 SPY again, right? And somewhere along this range, we can expect to hit in the next, possibly, whoops, let me get rid of this. This is actually too long, right? Probably like right there. That's probably a better idea. So we can expect to hit this range by early October, which is going to be close to, I'm not sure when CPI is, but again, I am expecting this range to hit sometime by early October, right? Which is where actually I'll leave those up. I'll leave both of them up right there just to have a good expectation. But again, this range, I'm expecting to go back to 388, 392, somewhere around this area by early October, right? The very first week of October, I'm expecting to go back there. So as of this morning, when we open in the market, I will be getting rid of all of my puts. I have a lot of puts on Webull. I will be selling out of every single put. And then I will be buying calls on SPY or Amazon or whatever I think that has, a chance of rallying just as hard as the S&P 500, right? I will more than likely be going in the money because I want to play safety, because again, I am more than likely expecting some sort of resistance here with trend around that 381 level. So I'll probably be buying, if I'm going to be buying SPY calls, I'll probably buy 370s for like 3 weeks out or something, for like October 21st, just to be safe. But I will be buying calls for anything that I can find. And I'm expecting these prices or this level on the SPY by, like I said, early October. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.